Are you ready to transform your Ram 3500 into the ultimate workhorse? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of tonneau covers and uncovering the absolute best options available for your beastly truck. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality that not only enhances your vehicle's appearance, but also protects your cargo from the elements. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend adventure or simply looking to elevate your truck's look, we've got you covered. With our expert reviews and insights, you'll find the ideal fit that guarantees durability and convenience. Don't miss out on the game changer your Ram 3500 deserves. Hit that play button and let's get started. Number 7. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2002 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2024 Ram 2500/3500 models, including the 2019 to 2024 Classic. Crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and featuring an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, this cover promises both durability and style. The dual-coated finish not only enhances its appearance, but also provides excellent weather resistance. Installation is a breeze with the included no-drill mounting hardware and clear instructions, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Enjoy full bed access with pre-assembled horizontal crossbars that conveniently fold up with the cover. Plus, the stainless steel clamps ensure it stays securely in place. With a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, you can trust Tiger Auto to deliver quality and reliability. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover for Ram 3500, the Tiger Auto T3 is a top choice that combines functionality, durability, and ease of use, making it a fantastic addition to your truck. Number 6. Gator EDX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate companion for your 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2020 Ram 2500/3500 with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, 76.3 inch. Proudly made in the USA, this cover combines quality and convenience effectively. Installation is a breeze. Simply clamp the rails without any drilling, allowing you to enjoy your new cover in no time. With 100% truck bed access, you can effortlessly roll the cover towards the cab and secure it with a storage strap for complete utilization of your truck bed space. Additionally, Gator Covers backs this product with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Ideal for those searching for the best tonneau cover for Ram 3500, the Gator ETX offers durability, functionality, and stylish design, all while maintaining a sleek profile that enhances your truck's overall appearance. Upgrade your truck and safeguard your cargo with this exceptional tonneau cover. Number 5. Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the perfect solution for Dodge Ram owners seeking the best tonneau cover for their Ram 3500. Custom designed to fit Dodge Ram models from 2002 to 2025, including both classic and new body styles. This cover enhances your truck's sleek appearance while providing extraordinary durability. Made from fiberglass reinforced polymer FRP with a robust polypropylene honeycomb core, it boasts scratch resistance and supports up to 450 pounds of weight. Installation is effortless with no drilling required. Utilizing 6 strong clamps for a secure fit that preserves your vehicle's original condition, your cargo will stay protected from rain, snow, dust, and theft, thanks to its secure locking mechanism when the tailgate is closed. Plus, its aerodynamic design reduces wind drag, enhancing fuel efficiency, allowing you to enjoy better gas mileage. Elevate your Dodge Ram's functionality and style with the Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover, the ultimate choice for protection and performance on the road. Number 4. Karmacar Truck Bed Cover is the ultimate accessory for your 2009 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500 Crew Cab with a 5.7-foot short bed. Designed for convenience and durability, this hard trifold tonneau cover is made from premium 6063 all-aluminum subpanels and robust honeycomb material. Its scuff and dent-resistant design ensures your cover will stay in pristine condition while securely shielding your cargo. The innovative watertight channel hinge system, coupled with windproof seals, protects your belongings from the elements, making it perfect for all climate conditions. Installation is a breeze. The cover comes fully assembled, allowing you to set it up in less than 15 minutes without the need for any tools. Additionally, it boasts an impressive capacity to hold up to 750 pounds, ensuring strength and stability. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover for your Ram 3500, the Karmacar truck bed cover is your best choice. Enjoy effortless access to your truck bed while keeping your cargo safe and secure. Number 3. DNA Motoring Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for your 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic, or 2010 to 2022 Ram 2500/3500 with a 6.5-foot fleet-side short bed, designed for hassle-free installation. This cover comes with sturdy clamps and adjustable tension, making it a breeze to fit onto your truck. Weighing less than 70 pounds, it not only enhances your vehicle's aerodynamics for improved gas mileage, but also provides robust durability. Crafted from black powder-coated aluminum and reinforced plastic, it supports an impressive 367 pounds, ensuring your cargo stays secure. With a dust-proof and snow-proof design, along with rubberized edges to seal against the elements, this cover guarantees superior protection in extreme weather. Plus, its sleek bullfrog bump texture offers an attractive exterior finish. If you're on the hunt for the best tonneau cover for the Ram 3500, look no further than the DNA Motoring Tonneau Cover. Unlock a great experience today. Number 2. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an excellent choice. Custom made to fit 2002 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. This cover features robust aluminum and fiberglass construction, designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. The tri-fold style ensures easy access and convenience, while the seamless installation requires no drilling, providing a hassle-free setup with reinforced clamps. Additionally, its sleek aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency, helping you save on gas during those long trips. Security is also a key feature. Durable latches and a reliable locking mechanism keep your cargo safe from theft. With an extra weather striping included and a generous 60-month warranty, you can trust in the longevity and durability of this product. Upgrade your truck's functionality and protection with the Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, and experience peace of mind on every journey. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is the ultimate tonneau cover for your Dodge Ram 3500. Combining style, security, and functionality in one sleek package. This hard folding cover is designed specifically for 2002 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2021 Ram 2500/3500 with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, ensuring a perfect fit. Crafted from durable aluminum, its matte finish not only exudes a contemporary aesthetic, but also protects against scratches, marks, and UV damage. One of its standout features is the automatic latching mechanism that provides top-notch security. The cover locks in place when your tailgate is closed, safeguarding your cargo. With 100% bed access, you can operate the cover closed, folded, or flipped up without obstructing the third brake light. The BAK Flip MX4 also comes with premium seals for enhanced weather resistance. Elevate your truck's functionality and style with this fantastic tonneau cover. It's truly the best choice for your Ram 3500. In conclusion, investing in the best tonneau cover for your Ram 3500 enhances both functionality and style while protecting your cargo. Whether you prioritize security, ease of access, or sleek design, there's a perfect option for you. Explore your choices and elevate your truck experience today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with fellow truck enthusiasts to help them make the right choice too.